Now customize, we can change the theme of the desktop, of all the Explorer. We can change all the background of the desktop or the options of the screens. In this case we are going to enter. We can change some theme according we need. We can change the colors. I don't like this one. We are waiting, and no, I don't like, it's too black to our classic Windows. In this case Windows 7 again, according something we like. And also we can see that there is the back, another image. Okay, let's return to Windows 7. Okay, now we can here, when we are using a projector, we can check the connection. We can divide the screen and see something in the monitor of the laptop or in the monitor of the PC, and another window in the projector. In this one we have an option that there is the gadgets. We can use something that we need that check the efficiency of the system, or a different kind of clock, some game. Also we can customize the menu bar, and something important is this one, the folder options, because we always or often we have a problem with the virus that hide our files. In this case we can enter and go to C and view, and let's select show files, folders and units hidden. In this case, if we select this one, if I have a problem with my USB flash, I can see the files even if they are hidden. And this is the customize.